Hey you guys, it's Coupon with Nesh, and we have a brand new week of deals for CVS that start on June 7th. So I'm going to do a preview video for you guys to show you all the amazing deals you could do from June 7th to June 13th. We have some really good deals ahead of us, so let's go ahead and get right into it. That way you are saving more and stressing less. For our first deal, it's going to be on our gift cards. This is actually one of my favorite deals that we have this week. We have the participating gift cards on this promotion that when you spend $100 worth, you're going to get $20 back in extra care bucks. So you're really only paying $80 for one. This is really good for Father's Day coming up, or if you just have any type of gift ideas that you need, gift cards are always a great option. Another one of my favorite deals that we'll have starting tomorrow is going to be on our oral care. We do have this coupon that when you spend $25, you're going to get $10 off. Now, this is a limit of one per household. So I'm just going to show you a few items that you can pick up with coupons that I know that we have. We probably will get more coupons starting tomorrow, but of course, I can't see that in the app until tomorrow comes. So what we do know from our ad is we will have our Colgate Total Active Prevention toothpaste. They are going to be on sale for $4.99. It is going to be our 5.1 ounce tubes. You're going to pick up two of them for $4.99 each. We are going to have a $4 off coupon on two. And then we're also getting $4 back on extra care bucks when we purchase two. So this could be an option for you. We will have our Tom's toothpaste. They're going to be buy one, get one 50% off. When you purchase two of them, you are going to get $2 in extra care bucks. And it looks like we have a $4 off of two coupon that's attaching to these as well. Our Arm & Hammer toothpaste will be buy one, get one free. So this is also another option. We will also have our Crest mouthwash. They're going to be two for $10. And it shows we should have some digital coupons coming. So we will see what that looks like tomorrow. But this is also going to be a great option to do. That way you can get to that $25 threshold. But I will create a scenario for you all tomorrow. That way you can have some options and we know exactly what we're working with. We will have our Garnier Fruit Shampoo and Conditioner. They are going to be two for $9 starting tomorrow. We are going to clip this $3 off coupon, paying $6 out of pocket. We are then going to get $3 back in extra care bucks when we purchase two of them, making our final cost just $3 or $1.50 each. We will have our Big Boy Dove body wash. They are going to be on sale for $10.99. And when you purchase two of them, you're going to get $4 back in extra care bucks. So we are going to pick up two of them for $21.98. We have a $5 off of two coupon, bringing us to $16.98. That's what you'll pay out of pocket. You'll get that $4 back in extra care bucks, making your final cost just $12.98. But the deal does not stop there. We do have 3,600 points on Fetch that you can get back, which is equivalent to $3.60, making your final cost for both of these just $9.38. We will have our Axe deodorant. They're going to be buy one, get one 50% off. We are going to pick up two of them for $11.68. And I have a $7 coupon on two, which will bring my total down to just $4.68 out of pocket. And then I am going to get $2 back when I purchase two of them in extra care bucks. So our final cost is going to be $2.68 for both. Our Palmolive dish soap will be on sale for $2.99, and when we purchase two of them, we'll get $2 back in extra care bucks. We are going to pick up two for $5.98, and we are going to clip this 75-cent coupon. That will bring us down to $5.23, but we are going to get that $2 back in extra care bucks, making our final cost for both just $3.23. Those are just a few of my favorite preview deals that we have for CVS for the upcoming week. I will be back tomorrow with a full breakdown of deals, and I may even throw in there an extra care bucks video. That way you're able to roll your extra care bucks over to your next transaction. So I'll see you all tomorrow.